shit not mine. She belongs to the streets. What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV. This time we started it different, bro. This time we are starting it different. We are starting it live, in the flesh, in the whip, because I haven't started a POV in the whip in a long time, bro. Just starting off, just driving. I haven't started one. Anyway, man, we are on the way to go pick up some mods for the M2, bro. Going to get some mods in the M2 for the M2 in M2. You feel me? I hope y'all are doing good. Hope y'all are doing well. I freaking missed y'all, bro. I haven't uploaded. I went 3 days without uploading, bro. 3 freaking days. Now, I just had, it was just, hey, I had some stuff going on, so that's why. Anyway, man, dude, I missed this M2, and I just want to make it loud. I want to make it fast, because I ain't gonna lie, bro. Driving this car compared to driving my M5, like, I know I shouldn't compare the two, because one's a inline 6, one's a twin turbo V8. They're both twin turbo, but, bro, I should not compare the two, bro, at all. Just due to the simple fact that one's a V8, and one's tuned and one's not. So I literally cannot wait to freaking tune this thing, dude. When I tune this car, y'all gotta know, bro. Y'all gotta know when I tune this car, it's gonna be insane, bro. I wanna take it and I wanna beat on it a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So the next couple videos, maybe we'll go slide the M2. Just depends on how everything goes for real. I don't know, maybe, perhaps. Oh, I just get maxed. That boy on my ass. Hey, chill. Hey, he is on my bumper. I will let him have it. Yo, he tripping. Hey, I'm not going to jail, twin. No, sir. Hey, I'm not going to jail. Hey, and this car, I don't know this car enough yet. Cause I ain't gonna lie, when it just shifted and it upshifted, hey, it low-key got me. Hey, and I be scared to play with motorcycles, bro. I literally be scared. Like, I don't know, like, if I hit him off his motorcycle, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep every night. And probably go to jail, and I don't want to do that. Anyway, man, we need to make this car faster. Could I have kept up with that motorcycle? Nope. Oh, come on now. Yes. But I also was just going under the connector, bro. I do not want to go to jail for speeding and reckless driving. I don't have time for that. What's that, a scat? Oh, you know what we'll do to those. We'll eat that scat up. He ain't about nothing. He don't want to really, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Y'all know I got a lot to lose now, so I just be trying to be chill. Like, I'll go slide on some back roads though. The highway though, I ain't gonna lie. I will actually say I'm scared to cut up on the highway. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If you wanna watch somebody cut up and go crazy and risk everybody else's life, hey, you gotta go over there to like squeeze bins and all that. And I'm not saying their content is bad. I'm just saying what I personally don't do. You know what I'm saying? Like, they do stuff like that, like the squeeze team and all that. I don't do that. I don't condone in it, none of that. If you do it, that's what you do. I go for, like, you know, a little hit every now and then. And he riding that bike though, I ain't gonna lie. Good run. Nah, he riding that bike. Hey, I ain't got no tint on the windows. It's kind of funny. I would have gave him a run, but hey, it's too much traffic. And he on a motorcycle, bro. That motorcycle is like just scary. I don't know why. If you want to, I'll do it. Right? Come on. 60. Ready? No, 60. A 60 roll. so bad. Oh, I just got gapped so bad. Oh, I just got gapped so bad. I'm tuning the car. That was enough. I'm tuning the car. Damn! That motherfucker fast. Oh my goodness, I just got gapped so bad. Oh, I just got gapped so bad. No way, I just got gapped like that. Oh my goodness, I just got gapped, y'all. I literally just got gapped. Oh my goodness. My M5 would have never stood for that. My M5 would have never, ever did me that bow. Why are you? There's literally nobody right there. What are you braking for? Oh my goodness, I just got gapped. I just got gapped. I don't know how to feel, bro. That's never happened. He put 1,600 buses on me, dog. I literally just got gapped. Oh my goodness. I'm coming back for revenge, bro. I'm coming back for revenge. I just got gapped. I just got gapped. Dog, losing the race is crazy. Oh crap, that scared me. I thought somebody was right there. I just got gapped. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I got gapped like that. I've never been gapped. Hey, hey, we tuning. Hey, look, y'all said go slow with the build. I'm sending this ECU out. I'm sending this ECU out immediately, bro. That will not happen anymore. I will not stand for being gapped like that. Oh my, bro, the M5 against bikes I be beating 1,000cc bikes with the M5, bro. Oh my freaking goodness, dude. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. I literally just got sent to straight Applebee's, bro. Oh, y'all. That is embarrassing. But I don't care, bro. My car stopped. If my car was tuned and modded, all right. I don't have downpipes. All I have is exhaust and lower. That's it. Ah! Yo! Oh my goodness, dude. I need to tune this car. I need to tune it. I need to tune it. I will not stand for being gapped like some kid in his daddy Rolls Royce. Chill. I will not stand for being gapped like that, bro. I don't know how to feel, y'all. Like, yes, the car is stopped, but getting gapped is not fun. Oh, I didn't know what that was. I just got gapped, bro. Holy moly. Yeah. Hey, this car is not meant to like be fast, I guess, huh? I need a G80. Oh. Oh my goodness. This car do what I need it to do, but no way. I mean, 473, 480 horsepower. So I can't be mad about it. I really can't. But dude, the feeling of getting gapped is unreal. I literally, dude put 16 buses on me. He put 16 buses. I'm not even gonna lie. He definitely put 16 buses on me. Oh my goodness. That is insane. I literally just got gapped so bad. Let's just go grab some. I've never been gapped like that in my life. Dang, boy. That's like a typical buckhead Alpharetta kid. Oh my goodness, y'all. Now, y'all see though, y'all telling me, y'all was always telling me, Tez, bro, Tez, don't tune a car, don't rush the build, don't don't do this, don't do that. Where did that get me? Where did that get me? Tell me where that got me. Tell me where that got me. Gap. Now, I'm a loser. I just lost to a $15,000 bike and a $90,000 car. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Oh, what you maxed it. Damn, you maxed it. Oh my goodness, you maxed me out. Why would you do that? I can't believe I just got gapped like that. All right, I'm done talking about it. I got gapped. It is what it is. Yeah, she not paying attention. She hate her life. Anyways, man, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Can't win them all. But my F90 wouldn't have stood for that. It's all right. I'm coming for revenge, bro. I'm coming for revenge in my G87, bro. I'm coming for revenge. I'm about to get bigger tires. Like that just made me like, damn, that i7 is clean. That just made me though. That just turned me up. That just made. I'm about to put so much money into this car. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. All right, I care a little bit. Oh, bro, y'all just saw what happened, bro. Instant replay. He left me. He left me. You said, what G87? I didn't even know there was one behind me. What y'all scared of the corner for? Take the corner. I'm in a rear-wheel drive car. Drive car, and I would say I would rate my driving probably a tier 6, tier 7 driving. Not being too generous. Dang, they cut the whole pumps off. I say I'm a tier 7 driver, not like no big driver. We are going to dude's house to pick up this part, by the way. So I need to hurry up and get there. I can't believe it, bro. Yeah, I'll rate me as a tier 7. I'm pretty good at driving. I can apex. I can, you know, bend the curve. I can do it. You know what I'm saying? But I do want to go full suspension upgrade in this car. I'm talking like toe links, traction arms, end links, like sway bars. I want to upgrade the suspension to make the M2 feel like it's a all-wheel drive car, bro. Like, that's actually what I want to do. Oh my goodness, I don't have a license plate on. Y'all, my license plate expired. I ripped it off, and then I'm such an idiot. When I ripped it off, I didn't get the screws to. I didn't unscrew it. I don't know what I thought. Honestly, I really don't know what I thought. So if I get pulled over, yeah, I already know why. I ain't gonna even be mad, but yeah, bro. Came off. I don't know what you want me to tell you. I don't know what you want me to tell you. No distractions, me and you. What the hell? Are we on a date, bro? Is this a date? Am I on a date with a fuel truck? I don't want to be on a date with that unless it's giving me free fuel. I do not want to be on a date with a fuel truck, bro. Those are so scary, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, what are you doing? Damn, you just skipped across 3 lanes. I don't know how to drive. And like, like, hey, do it flawless if you're gonna do it. Like, go ahead, hey, like, slide it over, so you know what I'm saying? But man, I can't believe I just got gapped, bro. That, like, hey, L's in the chat, bro. LG87 in the chat, because I literally just got gapped, bro. That is insane. That won't happen no more. Downpipe and tune on the way. By the end of this video, I need to have my ECU. The video ended 7 minutes. I need to have my ECU in the package, in the bag, sent to Finland. I can't believe this, bro. I'm about to cry. Bro, oh my goodness. It's funny I got gapped. Like, I ain't even mad because I know I'm stuck. I need bigger tires too. I'm gonna put 305s in the back, and I think I'm gonna go to all 19-inch wheels. So the G8X setup for M3, M2, and M4 is 19-inch in the front, 20-inch in the back. I'm gonna go 19 squared, right? So 19 by 10, 19 by 10, and I'm going to get a 305 for the back and like a 295 for the front, or a 285 for the front. I need, like, with all that power, bro, you're gonna need tire, and I refuse to not have no tire, bro. And I think I want to get some Apexes, the VRS5. I don't know what they call it. I just know they Apexes, and if I get those and slap like some Nittos on there or something, or like something hard, something tough, something that's gonna like grip up and like not spin me out, at least give me like a couple hits, you know what I'm saying, and be good. Freak. I can't believe myself. I can't believe myself. Yo, I gotta get off the camera. I can't believe. Hey, them and them Subaru, they remind me of GTA, bro. Cause you know how at GTA, like, you'll get all your homies to ride in one car that y'all just stole on GTA. Y'all all have y'all arms hanging out the window like that. That is so funny. That literally reminds me of GTA. I see that little M6 over there, my boy. I can't believe I just got gapped like that, man. Anyways, man, I'm about to pull up to Dude House. I'm 6 minutes away. I ain't gonna be doing too much, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna be driving. I ain't about to even cut up because I'm off the highway now, and I'm not on the back road. I'm on the main road. So I'll catch y'all in the flip. Peace.